Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking our adventures to Wateree State Park here in South Carolina. As you see, I got my wife, my beautiful wife, and my son, Ruben. And right now we're going to go and look at Nature Trail. See you on the trail. Hope you enjoy. As always, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the trail. So it's kind of a walk. We parked over near the tackle bait shop down from the lake, and we're walking to the trailhead now. I say it's probably about a quarter of a mile up, so it's a little bit of walk to get to it. So just something to keep in mind if you're ever going to come out here and visit the trail here. All right, so this is the start of called Desportes Nature Trail. Desportes. Wife telling me how to pronounce it. So what does it say? All right, Lake Wateree State Park, Desportes Nature Trail. It's 2.35 miles, and it's considered easy. Yeah, so you might see some woodpeckers, a type of turtle, an egret, and maybe even a salamander. So let's see if we see any of that stuff on the trail. Hopefully so. So this is something that started off, we just tried it one time, I think back in 2019, and it's something that quickly became something that me and my family love doing, and I look forward to it. It's very relaxing. My wife loves doing it. My son loves doing it, and it's really, really great exercise. So I don't think we're ever going to stop. So my wife just made a good observation. We walked all the way down to the trailhead, but if you look up here, they have it to where over there in the parking lot area, they have a little area where you can access the trail right on the side over there. You see where my son is walking. They have another entrance to the trail, which would have been a whole lot easier to access if we had known about it, but now we do. I don't think this was out here last time I came out here, but it probably was. But it's just good to know something for the future. So the sign said they considered this to be an easy trail, and I would definitely say that is truly the case, because we've been on some other trails that have not been easy. You really get a really good workout, but it's pretty much flat, well manicured. And one thing I do like about here so far is that it's very well documented as far as, hey, this is a trail. Some places you go, you don't know if you're on the trail or you're off the trail or not, but they have it's very clean, like my wife just said, and you can definitely see the markings that they have outlining the trail.
They have some kind of clear stuff on it. It has some kind of clear stuff on it.
Hmm?
I got another hole. Yeah, don't put your feet in those holes. Dad! No.
All right, I'm gonna see if you hear it. There's a woodpecker out here.
I thought there would be woodpeckers.
Trying to see, hopefully we'll hear it again. Gotta be quiet. Not yet. Oh, did you hear it? That was it. You heard it?
Yeah.
That's always amazes me how they do that and don't hurt their head. That's amazing to me. You see the water in the background on both sides. very interesting to see what the end of the trail looks like. Now, I'm not sure what this is. I think this is a honeysuckle, but I don't know. If you know, please leave in the comments what type of plant this is. I think it's a honeysuckle, but I don't know. But either way, it's pretty nice.
Get out. You have to get out. Down there. I don't want it going inside your boot. So if the water gets too high, it's going to come back out. Don't put your hands in this water. This is dirty water. There's standing water.
Yeah. As you can see, as my little boy is getting in the water, you can see all the pollinants in the water. Now, in Columbia, South Carolina, South Carolina in general, we don't really get that much snow, but this is what I call our yellow snow. And it gets over everything here around this time of the year. And it causes a lot of issues with allergies. So last time I came out here, I did not come this far. But we are progressing pretty well here, and it's very nice out here, very nice, and really pretty. I would definitely highly suggest, if you're in the Fairfield County area of South Carolina, to definitely check out Wateree State Park and check out this trail. It's really nice. I'm gonna show you some more out here as we continue on. This is something that's interesting. I don't know if that's a plant growing on top of the tree, or if that's some type of fungus or moss, but never seen this before. But it's really cool. Another puddle. He knew what was gonna happen when he saw it. See, this is what I'm talking about here. The trail is very well documented. Okay, wait a minute. You can either go that way or you can go that way. Let's see. See? Maybe it's a circle. It's probably a circle. So, which way you want to go, babe? Look, all right, so we're gonna go this way. Should be cool because we get to see parts of the lake. All right, so we came out, and as you're seeing here, the path is pretty nice. And they have a bench up there, and in the background you can see the water. It's really nice, really cool. Yeah, I think this is one big circle. We're gonna see as we continue walking, but I'm pretty confident it's one big circle. And we'll come around back to the end of the other sign that we saw at the beginning. But very nice. I'm really interested to see what everything's gonna look like when everything starts to bloom and everything comes out. But this is nice right here. All right, so another direction for the trail. Gonna head this way. And you can see, we're going to, come on, buddy. Come on. So we're going this way, and it goes next to the water. And there goes my little boy running ahead, ready to explore. Gonna veer off a little bit, come over here, and look at the water. I'm gonna show you this. It's really cool. See, look at that view. Look at that view. Awesome. There's a boat out there in the water fishing and everything. This is nice. There's nothing like being out in the great outdoors, enjoying the beauty, God's beauty. You'll get a chance to look in the water. This is the special present that Ruben is giving to Joe. And since she doesn't have pockets, she wants to put it in my pocket. I'm going to make sure that there's nothing in here crawling around, because I do not want anything crawling in my pockets. It looks pretty safe. I guess you'd call this a conch shell? But whatever it is, it's coming home with us, because this is Ruben's present to Mommy. On the trail again. Yes, we're back on the trail again. Walking in the woods, sing what we see. This is where we be. On the trail again.
Come this way. Come in front of us.
So as you can see, it's really nice out here. One of the things that I'm going to mention, and I've noticed it on other trails, but I've never really said anything about it, is that as I'm going through the trail, sometimes I see water bottles, I see soda bottles, I see people have their trash out here, and it just doesn't make any sense. You have this beautiful, beautiful trail out here for people to enjoy, and people just throw their trash on the ground. I know, I'm pretty confident all of my viewers and all the subscribers who watch this don't do that type of thing, because we generally, I believe, have an appreciation and love for the great outdoors. But if you know someone that litters and throws stuff on these beautiful trails, no matter if you're in South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, wherever you're at, we need to do everything we can to protect the environment. Yep.
And boom.
Walk, walk. I'm videoing you. Probably. You need some water?
Sweating is all what it's all about. You want to sweat.
You need some water?
Yeah. So it is one big trail. One big circle. We're coming back around. As you can see, there's the bench that we passed earlier. So it loops around. It's 2.5 miles. The loop is about half a mile. And I guess going back will be the other mile. A mile to get to this point and a mile to get back. So that makes up your 2.5 miles. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Desportes Nature Trail out here at Wateree State Park in South Carolina. It's really nice out here. I came out here before, but this is an extended video of the trail. I did not come this far, but it's really nice out here, and it's an easy trail. It really is an easy trail. It's pretty much flat. There's no hills or anything like that, so you should be able to do it. And you can bring a stroller. My wife just said you can bring a stroller out here. We just saw a couple of families who had a stroller out here. I know it's important for a lot of people who have young babies who still want to get outdoors. So that's something to keep in mind. But as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Looking forward to reading your comments. Take care, and God bless.